Hello, so today we are going to solve this differentiation problem. So this problem states to differentiate y is equals to x squared sine x. So in solving differential equation problems guys, you need to remember na if nagsosolve kayo, you need to figure out if ang problem mo is single variable, double variable, or more. Why is this important? This is important because it can help you narrow down ang mga rules na kinakailangan mong i-apply to this specific problem. So for example, in this problem, we have two variables. Specifically, these variables are x squared, this x squared, and the sine x. So, seeing na magkadikit siya, dahil dalawang variable siya, one rule lang ang pwede nating ma-apply dito, which is yung tinatawag na product rule. This product rule states that given a function, which is this function, let us call this function f of x, or pwede rin naman y, mas madali, y having a variable of f of x multiplied to g of x. If we get the differentiation of this certain function, then ang mangyayari is we differentiate the first one, which is ang f of x, copy ang second one, plus differentiate the other while copying the other one, which is ang f of x. Para matandaan nyo to ng mas mabilis, I usually use the code name for f of x and g of x as uv. Mas mabilis lang kasi. uv prime. Same lang yun siya sa ito. If i-prime mo siya as a whole, parang ganun. So, magiging ganito siya. So, if you differentiate uv, magiging ang niya, simplified rule niya is u dv plus v du. Wherein ang u, so let's see if same lang. Ang let f of x be u and g of x be v. So, sa first rule, f prime g. So, since ang u natin is ang f, makikita mo siya dito. du is the same thing as f prime and maintain yung v. So, copy v, you derive f of x, and then yung copy u, and then derive g of x. So, that's why the simplified version is u dv minus v du. Now, let's solve. Now that we know that ang rule na gagamitin is ang product rule, and we can simplify product rules as u dv plus v du, let's solve this problem. So, okay. Itabi natin to siya. So, copy ko lang y is equals to x squared sine x. So, to be a beginner friendly, ilat lang natin yung isa. I-identify muna natin sino si f of x and g of x to make it easier for everyone else. Pag nasanay na kayo i-identify yung f of x, g of x nyo, pwede nyo na siya matamatahin and you don't need to write down f of x and g of x na manually. You can diretso na sa pag-solve. Okay, so, let f of x be x squared and g of x be sine of x. Now, to apply, or pwede, guys, since yung simplified man yung gagamitin natin, this one, u or v. So, to apply u dv plus v du, okay, y prime. So, since u natin is x squared, ang una daw natin i-differentiate is si dv, si v, which is si g of x. And the derivative ng sine x is cosine x. So, we copy x squared cosine x plus copy v, which is sine x, and then you derive 2x. So, sine x, ang derivation ng x squared is 2x, guys. So, the reason why 2x siya, you might be asking, why 2x? It's because ang derivation, ang pag-derive ng power rule, i-apply mo kasi dito yung power rule, which states na kapag ang isang function mo or isang variable mo is naka-power siya or may power, then the way you derive it is ibababa mo yung 2. So, or any power, so that's going to be 2x. So, since binaba mo na yung power mo, hindi na siya pwedeng maging 2x squared. Hindi na siya ganun. Ma-minusan mo na siya ng 1. So, that's why it's going to be 2x na lang. So, that's the reason why. And then, you simplify na para ma-clean up yung pag-solve mo. So, that's x squared, 2x, 2a cosine x plus 2x sine x. Ta-da!